What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a pack opening. We got trophy packs, pro packs, and one of these. Alright, guys. Really looking forward to the 10 and 6 and the pro packs. So let's get to it. I would be making more money. We could do more pro pack openings and stuff. But no one wants to buy my auction. So please, buy my auctions. Al Jackson again. Okay. That's not that good, but Harrison Barnes. Okay, that's good. That's good. Shut up, Dominic. Let's pull that elite again. Okay. No. 6 turkeys. Opening it up with my nose. Give me a gold. At least. Ah. Alright, he's getting 10 turkeys. I can feel it. Wow, that was a terrible one. And final pack. Okay. Yeah, that's our pack opening for today. Maybe we can do some more. Let's see. Set. I can. Oh. I'll get this done for you guys. Auction. So we need a team. Need a silver turkey. Players? No. No players. There you go. And about 900, 950. Wait for the lag, guys. Any of them up? Wow. Let's try 975. $1,000? What the crap? What's the lag? No, we're not getting them. Okay, that's 3. Let me get this last one. That's enough. Oh boy. I think so. Yeah, I have enough. Now let's get this for you guys. The million. 50,000, 100,000, 25,000. Come on, let's stop the lag. Every time I record, it lags so much. So what? I'm one short? What? Are you serious? I better have 5. 4. I have 4. Come on. Wow. If the lag will stop. Alright. Anyone here? I'm doing this for you guys. Now I gotta replace the team. Replace that so I can build my team. Oh my god. If I'm gonna be so mad. Better pull like 6. One rest elites would be good. Oh my god, if I don't get a gold. I'm gonna be so mad if I don't get a gold. Gold. There you go. Now I can do it.
Look what you did. Now you made it so now this doesn't do it.
I don't care, Dominic. Maybe I'll get lucky and get 800, 500, 2,500, 900. Last one, 800. I never pull anything good. We'll do this 3 times. I've done this a couple times. It sucks. But if I pull an elite, I'll be happy. Best I've ever pulled was a silver. And I've done this 15 times. Hey look, another silver. That's good. Yeah, I pulled 2 silvers. Alright guys. Let's see how much money we made. It's 2,500, 4,200, 5,000. So we made points from that. Not bad. Alright guys. Leave a like and then comment below. Subscribe and leave a comment as always. Bye bye.